Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll talk about the how to fix the button speaker problem in the POCO F3 GT device. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of comments on this button speaker is not working properly in the POCO F3 GT. Not one, not but two. I think close to I did receive kind of 20 to 30 comments only on the button speaker is not working. Yes, so top speaker is working but the button speaker is not working. As you can see, exactly these are the comments which I'm trying to get. So my button speaker is not working. Is this device fault or is there any kind of settings to turn it on? As you can see, so there's nothing fault. I would say there's some kind of software issue is going on at this moment in this phone. Not only the loudspeaker, there are other options which are not functioning properly. So right now in this case, if the button speaker is not working, you need to just restart the phone. That's it. Yes, so once try to reboot the device. After the reboot, the problem will be fixed completely in the POCO F3 GT. Yes, even I did experience this kind of issue one time in the beginning, but later on I forgot to make a video on that particular topic. So I did try to reboot the device and the problem got completely solved in the POCO F3 GT device without any kind of issues. So try to do this kind of testing friends and let me know in the comment section below whether this trick is working for you or not. So maximum this trick should definitely work for a lot of other users because I got plenty of comments as well on this thing previously. So not only regarding the loudspeaker, even there are other problems as well regarding the animation problems. They cannot access some of the users. As you can, some of the users they cannot access this animation options at all. Some of the users. So not only this loudspeaker, there are other software issues which is going on in the POCO F3 GT. So hopefully it should get fixed with the next update. As you can see friends, this is the exact proof. I did ask one of my subscribers asking me to try him the same kind of trick and it did work for him. As you can see exactly. And it did message that my mobile speaker is working now and I'm happy, as you can see friends. So this is actually working, this kind of trick 100%, so without any kind of issues. So thank you for watching this video friends and see you in the next video until stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.